guys, right now I'm at the shop. I'm buy something to prepare for breakfast for me and Bay. So yeah, it's very early in the morning. This is the morning blazing hot sun. So really come on this to tell you guys morning. I think today's going to be an eventful day. So yeah, ramen and 2 francs.
How much ramen you want in the morning, eh?
No, it's not for me one. That's a lot of ramen now too.
Eh?
That's a lot of ramen now. But not for me one. No. This is ramen with sausage. Tell me if you guys have ramen and sausage together. Let me know.
Maya.
You guys can also follow her up on Instagram at
pa.tato, pa.tato.
So we're here just they are just doing their carnival look. Watch her snapping and all. I'll just put her name in the description box so you guys can go and follow her. Okay?
At pa.tato.
Alright. Tell them that be on the lookout for this look, Cleo. You not tell them?
Huh?
Be on the lookout for your shoot shortly.
Be on the lookout for my shoot, guys.
Yes, we're going to the supermarket right now because we're thirsty. So yeah, that's the look. So just really come for check-in. I just had to learn the food. I don't want that. So, we just got our cream water. Yeah, nothing more made much. So we'll go back. Wait, there was stuck on my foot. Oh, bubblegum. So we'll go back in the dorm with the other girls. So yeah. Clear is doing a photo shoot. Some quick little snaps. So I want to give you a quick snaps right now, you guys. So enjoy, keep back, and remember to hit that like button and comment below, and also subscribe if you haven't already.
The show and them on clothes, totally clothes.
All the other parts. Alright, yeah, you look dead. Straight. All the other have it
Probably the room. And then I'm doing a before and after.
Okay, he said
Keep it.
Yeah, let's keep it straight for this one. We're not pose it, you know? I just want to come forward a bit. Just a bit. Now turn it a bit to that direction. No, too much. Just come back.
Want it front and
Come back. Good, perfect, right there.
Yeah, it's called pizza. So I'm finished. I have on my makeup now and lipstick, and these lashes are fabulous. Don't you just love them? And check out my bomb ass body too. Yeah, slim girls rock, and thick girls and fat girls too. No discriminations. And for these lashes, as you can see, they're A grade, real human hair. So the link for these lashes will be in the description box below. Check it out, check it out.
Potato. Moya.
Hi guys, my name is Anna. I'm here in Kingston, Jamaica, shooting for my company Lash Angels. We're located in Montreal, Canada. Today we're shooting for Carnival Edition lashes with Swarovski crystals. They're customized. You could personally customize your own. You just choose the color and let me know. You could DM me, email me, and you can follow me on Instagram. I don't have a YouTube as of yet, but you could always contact me via pa.tato. And right now we're here shooting for my 5 different type lashes. This one is Chanel lash. And then I have Bella lash. This is from the bandless collection of the Mink 3D lashes. Then we also have Zoe. And then I have Becky. So this is Rachel Lash. If you want more information, all my information is below in the box. And you could also look at my website, www.lashangels.com. And please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to Peter Gabe below. Don't forget.
I know we're telling the other girls, and this is Anna.
Hey.
And she just spoke to you all a while ago about her lashes, you know. So please do support her for me until that I send y'all, okay?
Thank you.
So the sun is blazing out right now. I'm going to
It's about 20 to 30 degrees outside. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
So yeah, makeup done by me. Joke. It's done by Charlene. So if you need Charlene, her link will be in the bio so she can do your carnival look. Until that I send you as well. So
follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, our names have to be
Makeup by Charlene Reed.
Yes.
I don't normally look this bad.
Oh my god, that bad. Oh,
I don't normally look this bad, but you know, we're working.
yeah, it's a lot of work.
But don't forget to check out Lash Angels on Instagram.
Yeah. What's your hair? We found him. You ever see I was calling your phone clear? Oh, okay.
Alright, hold that and turn your face to that direction a bit. Keep it there. I'm gonna light.
You guys know I'm leaving all the girls.
No,
Say bye. Bye. Say bye to them.
Well, what's his name? Bye.
Yeah, that's it clear again. Someone don't know why it's clear. Say bye to Vlog World. So
yeah, my dad bought me a pumpkin patty.
we're gonna go home there clear. So I'll talk to you guys when I reach home. Guys, I reach home. We'll eat mystical cooked food, fried chicken, and some please clear over there, so like you enjoy it. I don't know why she goes to fight. You don't like it? And she never do want to whip on oven. Because oven will take a long time. So we just use an alternative. So that's what we're doing right now. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm finished, I guess. Because you can't eat and talk because it's bad manners. So, yeah. Sorry, Cleo gone home from me yesterday. And I was so tired. So as I reached home, I went to bed. So we did a little mini photo shoot. So I'm going to give you guys a preview. So roll the clip. I know that was quick, and you want to see more, don't you? But no, I start to know. I don't worry yourself. You see above this video right now, you're supposed to see a link carrying to that video. Or after the vlog, you guys can go and watch it because we'll be at the end of the video. So remember to leave your feedback in the comments and what you think about the photo shoot, tell me what you think about the vlog, and remember to support our lash line link is in the description box, and also you can follow the makeup artist. She's from Jamaica though, and so her Instagram name is also in the description box as well. Support her, tell them say I mean said no. What else more to say? Yeah, I think that's all. Oh, but before I go, I have to give my post notification shout out. Today's post notification shout out goes to persons. Big up Real Talk TV, DD Brown and Casanova J. Big up on yourself. You don't know so large. Everybody else large. And if you want to be a part of the post notification shout out, like what I always do in my vlogs, obviously you have to be subscribed to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up. Comment below. Tell me what you think about the video. Yeah, leaving your opinion. Remember say I'm for talk to, no? That's not have to do. And also I would like for you guys to follow me on all my social media platform. Add me up, follow me, follow back, chat me on Snap. I want to know. So yeah, and I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.